Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I'm using this beautiful foiled kit by Fab Planner Print. If you do want to get hold of this, there are various sizes. This is the Erin Condren one, I believe. I do have a code for the shop, which is 10Sarah, which can get you a 10% discount. I'll put that across the screen and in the description below as well. And also do check out the Fab Planner Print Facebook group, which I'll also link below to get a heads up for new releases and competitions, and also there's lots of lovely people sharing their spreads over in that group. So all those things I will link below in the description. So to begin with, I have just framed my pages with some washi. The one across the bottom is the one that comes in the kit with the black and white lace, and the others are just from my stash. I just tried to find colours that matched with the kit quite well. And across the top again, this comes in the kit, and I just tuck it behind the washi to make it fit nicely. So this isn't made for an A5, but a bit of washi here and there and you can make any kit fit nicely. So I've added the days of the week, a weekend banner, and that illustrated sticker with gold foil, which is super pretty, and one with the pumpkin as well on the other side. Now adding in some checklists and a little strip of header strip across there, just adding the scripty work on top of that to add in what I need to do for YouTube, etc. And along the bottom there, I'm just adding in a Monday through Sunday list for my meal plan, and I've put some small boxes under the days of the week just to put in my fiance's work shifts. Just added the cluster of pumpkins at the bottom and moved the witch hat to the top, and I'm happy with that now. So I'm just flipping it over, trimming off the excess washi, and then I just punch holes in and it's ready to go back into my planner. So that's it from me today. If you would like to see more from me and you're not already, then please do like and subscribe. If you want to see my planner flip through, I will leave a link below for that too, and here's some close-ups. So have a great day everyone. Bye.